Hi, my name is Helene Hegge, and I'm a nursing instructor at USD on the Vermillion campus.
So with your faculty program, where have you been or where are you planning to go?
Yes, well, we have gone to Guatemala in the past, and we've spent a week in Guatemala with nursing students.
Super cool. So nursing students, that sounds like you're doing hands-on.
Yes, we do. We spend a week there, and some of the things that we do is that we install stoves into homes so that they don't have to use open fire for their cooking. We also do go to a school and do school screenings. And then we also go into a clinic, and the population from the area comes in and we do a foot clinic. Then we also go to another school and we do fluoride treatments on the children that are in that school.
Wow, that's like all in 1 week. That's already a lot. So why are you going to Guatemala specifically?
Well, we go there because we want to improve the health and we want to experience global nursing and identify how nursing occurs in different countries. And we really get a good hands-on experience that we are able to really experience what nursing is like in Guatemala.
Right, and we are working with an NGO there, so we are helping local people to get, as you already explained, some health care during the time we are there.
Yes, the NGO that we work with is called Nursing Heart, and they already have the relationships built up with the different communities, and it's a very organized trip.
Sounds great. Besides the hands-on learning for our students, can you talk about the cultural component of the FLP?
Yes, the cultural component, we really are right in their homes, and we really experience what it's like to live in Guatemala. And we see different aspects. We see the indigenous population, but then we're also in the city and see that portion also, and we eat their food and go to their celebrations with them, and it really is a fun week.
Sounds great. So what is your personal highlight of this faculty-led program?
Well, some of the fun things that we get to do, which that's fun, the whole week is fun, but some of the really extra fun things is that we get to go to a coffee plantation. And once you go there, you so appreciate a cup of coffee after you see how much work is involved. And we also do zip lining. The last 2 days of the trip, we spend at a resort on a lake. And you can only get to the resort by boat. And then we go out into the area villages, and you can only get there by boat also. It's Lake Adelan, and it was created by a volcano. And all around the lake, there are different communities that we go to.
That sounds like a really good faculty-led program. Your students experience service learning, hands-on, cultural, geographically. So this is like a really good program. What is your advice for students considering, in general, studying abroad or studying away?
That's a great question. Before a student would do any type of a cultural experience, even here in America or abroad, it's really important to study that community and get to know that community before you go, so that when you are immersed in that community, you know as much as you can about their history and about their culture and about the people there, so that helps you too, so that you can mesh in with that culture while you are there. And it helps you to provide better health care, knowing what has happened there in the past.
Yeah, that's a really good advice. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time.
Oh, thank you, Holger.
Take care.
Bye-bye.